Hi everyone, Tom Greaves here from Kenesto. In this video we're going to show how we use PDFBilt as a field annotation tool. First step is to go to the app. We navigate through the directory tree. It's in UMISH. Then we pick up the PDF file of interest. It's sheet number 13, long press. Then we navigate to the area of interest. Then we select the image annotation tool, select image, and draw a box around the area where we want to place the image. Then we select the camera tool on the phone, navigate to the area of interest, that is, walk to it, snap a photo, and then we go back to the PDF, and there's the image in the box that we specified earlier. The final step is to save the file to the drive.